loves you more. It's me.
It doesn't get more DC than this. Native son and recording artist Raheem Devon singing over a go-go beat. Love.com, the social experiment is trending on Netflix. What's this moment feel like?
I think surreal. A little bit overwhelming, actually. Yes, we did that.
And for these three DC women, the romantic comedy is a love letter to the city, with its views of not only our national monuments, but iconic landmarks like the Big Chair in Anacostia. Producer Kimberly C. Gaines lives east of the river in Deanwood.
So I was adamant about, making sure that we got over to Ward 7 and 8.
The story follows two singles looking for love in a changing D.C., a script that Charnice Fox wrote a dozen years ago when she was confronted with gentrification.
I was living in Brooklyn and they sold my building, and I wanted to know if I could do a documentary about gentrification and what was happening in DC 12 years ago. Not everybody watches a documentary, right? But a lot of people watch a rom-com, so how can you fuse those two things together so you can get a message across?
So while the city they love is changing, this all-women team is paying tribute to the culture and the spirit of creativity that led them and so many others to success.
I am such a huge promoter of women helping other women rise. I think that's what I'm most proud of.
Delia Gonsalves, WUSA 9.
Now, your WUSA 9 weather forecast, sponsored by Cox.
Today was one of the best days of the year,
It was.
I have to say.
It was tough to get peaches inside today.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. But you know what? Little change tomorrow. Still warm tomorrow. In fact, even warmer tomorrow. And then maybe by Friday we have just a hint of winter. A hint of winter. Now, we have a big article on our website and also on the app about the winter and the stats. So you probably know this by now. It's the third least snowy winter on record, and it's the seventh warmest winter on record. That's pretty cool. This stat kind of blew my mind. So I went back and I looked at days with highs in the 30s for the entire meteorological winter, December, January, and February. We had 7 days in the 30s. That's it. We had 42 days in the 50s, but we had 6 days with highs in the 60s and 2 days with highs in the 70s. You ready? So we had more days in the 60s and 70s this winter than we did in the 30s. Is your mind blown?
Blown.
Blown. I thought so. Okay. So that to me was just crazy. Seventh warmest winter. All right. Here is the radar. Most of the showers now are beginning to cross the river. Most heavy activity there in the yellow and the orange is about to move out of Prince George's County. It already has actually now into the Bay. We have some leftover showers running through Fairfax and over toward Rockville. They too will end in the next hour or so. So the bus stop forecast, a lot of clouds, but generally dry and mild. That's good news. No fighting the kids for coats. I mean, 51 to start, up to 64 by 3 o'clock. Shower possible right around the lunch hour. But again, it's not going to be a washout tomorrow. So if you're going to vote, there's no excuse not to vote because of the weather. It really isn't. Here we go. 51 to start, and a little bit of sunshine thrown in tomorrow too, just for good measure. Some showers possible at noon, better chance in north of town, and then 65 at 4 o'clock, and then a better chance for showers across the metro between about 4 o'clock and about 8 o'clock tomorrow. Rainfall, it's not much at all. It's just kind of a nuisance thing, less than a quarter inch. Most of that will fall right around the evening commute. Unfortunately, that's not a good time. Temperatures, going 64 tomorrow, 61 on Wednesday. They go down a little bit. Back in the 50s Thursday, then we're back in the 40s on Friday and also Saturday with maybe a rain or snow shower on Friday. So headlines go like this. Yellow weather alert tomorrow. We're looking at showers and even a thunderstorm. And then breezy and warm Wednesday, mild Thursday, and then cold on Friday with rain or some snow showers possible. Okay, so 6 a.m. If you're trying to vote in the morning, the polls open at 6 o'clock in Virginia, you're fine. Temperatures upper 40s, low 50s, and it's dry. There will be some showers along I-81 by 9 o'clock, but we're still dry within the immediate metro area in terms of commuting, temps in the 50s. By lunchtime, those first batch of showers kind of pull up to the north, temperature around 60 downtown. We get some sunshine at 5:30, and then look at the orange and yellow. Some thunderstorms will develop, a better chance north of town, Gaithersburg north, but even by 8 o'clock, some leftover showers pushing through. Then we clear out with drier air. Really not that much colder either. So 64 tomorrow, 61 on Wednesday, that's pretty good. And then 57 on Thursday, pleasant. All right, Friday, some rain or snow showers, upper 40s. Upper 40s on Saturday, dry.